Congress calamity. It is election time. So is calamity time in Congress in Kerala. It is a Congress culture to have internal bleeding when elections are round the corner. This time no exception. The elections to local bodies are nearing. It is in May that elections to assembly should happen. The Congress is in a very good political advantage now. The gold, Quran and life has dumped the LDF. No matter BJP is also emerging, UDF has a good prospect. But there goes the conflicts. The drops of the internal rupture are bleeding out. 2 resignations on Sunday. Benny Behanan from UDF convenership, K. Muralidharan as chairman of KPCC campaign committee. But why did these 2 resign? Is it for the party's larger interest? Quite unlikely so. Now the whole UDF is in anguish. Any big breaks in Congress would destabilize UDF. This is a golden opportunity for it to grab local bodies. Now the groups are back in action. The I and A groups are active now. Both wanted the head of KPCC chief. The unilateral Mullappalli is giving them a headache. Benny wanted his position to get consolidated. He has been feeling unhappy in the A group. He has since been loyal to Chennithala. He is reported to move from A to I group. On the other hand, Muralidharan has another agenda. Muralidharan wanted to come back to state politics. Intentions are clear. He wanted to be a minister in the next UDF government. He wanted to say goodbye to Delhi and contest the assembly. But this was outrightly denied by KPCC. He resigned and protested. But both leaders say the resignations are in tune with one man, one post slogan. But the motto was there long ago. But none were bothered to resign from a second position. Both Benny Behanan and Muralidharan are MPs for more than a year now. But they realized their dual role only now. Now back to power politics. MM Hassan has no role in the party. Now he is placed as UDF convener. Good that one man, one post is implemented in the party. Now the rule must be applied to all. This includes K. Sudhakaran and Kodikkunnil Suresh. Both are MPs but also working presidents of KPCC. If rule is for all, these 2 should resign from KPCC posts. So 2 others with no role can be placed there. Congress is an old and big party. Hence, many leaders have to be accommodated. One person, one post is a good idea if implemented in toto. Let's hope the party would sort out disputes within. Given the political scenario, UDF could well overpower LDF. But Congress needs to align well and behave responsibly. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.